Hello students, welcome back to the session. In this class, let me take a few important numericals from the concept called capacitor. And as per Karnataka board examination is concerned, the problems or numericals based on capacitors are frequently asked in the examination. Let us take a few important numericals which may come in what? Karnataka board examination. Let me begin with the first example here. The first one. Area of each plate of a parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor is 10 centimeter square. Is 10 centimeter square. These plates are separated by distance of 1 millimeter. These plates are separated by distance of 1 millimeter. Suppose capacitor is charged by a battery of 200 volt. Charged by a battery of 200 volt. What is capacitance of a capacitor? What is capacitance of a capacitor and energy stored? So this is the first important numerical from the concept called capacitor. Area of each plate of what? Parallel plate capacitor is given. Area is given here. You can write down the given values. Area of each plate is given. What is the area? A is given by 10 centimeter square. The given area is 10 centimeter square. Convert this in square meter, that is meter square. It can be done like this. 10 centimeter means 10 to the power minus 2 meter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Its square. Its square will be 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. So 10 to the power minus 2, its square is 10 to the power minus 4. Already we have 10 power 1 here. Total, the area of the plate will be 10 power minus 3 meter square. This is the area of each plate of a parallel plate capacitor. And these plates are separated by a distance of what? 1 millimeter. Distance between the plates is given. The distance between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is together, it is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Distance between the plates is given. Okay. And this capacitor is charged by connecting a battery of potential difference to 200 volt. That is, voltage of the source is given. How much voltage you are giving to the capacitor? The voltage which is given to the capacitor is 200 volt. They are asking you to determine the two parameters here. One is capacitance of a capacitor and another one is energy stored. Generally, the energy stored by the capacitor is denoted by the symbol U. You have to calculate the capacitance of a capacitor and energy stored by a capacitor. In the first step, let me calculate capacitance of the capacitor. What is the formula to calculate the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor? The capacitance of parallel plate capacitor is given by the formula epsilon naught A by D. This is the formula which is used to calculate capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, where epsilon naught is a constant, you know the value, and A is area of each plates which is given in the example. D is distance between the plates, it is also given in the example. By substituting the values, easily I can find the capacitance of a capacitor in the first step. Substitute the values here. What is epsilon naught value? 8 point. You can substitute the values here. C is equal to epsilon naught value is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. Area of the plates. What is the area of the plates? 10 to the power what? Minus 3. And distance between the plates. The distance between the plates is also 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. Next, 10 power minus 3 and 10 power minus 3 gets cancelled. I am left with a C is equals to what? 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad. So this is the capacitance of what? The parallel plate capacitor, which is given in the example. First step, we have to calculate the capacitance of what? The parallel plate capacitor. Second step, we have to calculate energy stored in the capacitor. Will you tell me what is the formula to calculate the energy stored in the capacitor? The energy stored in the capacitor is calculated by using the formula. What is the energy stored here? Energy stored. Second step, I am calculating energy stored. The energy stored by the capacitor is given by U is equals to half CV square. U is equals to half CV square. Okay. U is equals to half C. What is C? Capacitance of a capacitor. That is given by 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad. V square. V is a potential of a battery. Yesterday battery the potential 200 volt ide. V square is 200 square. V square is 200 square. 200 square. You can make 200 square or else 200 can be written as 2 into 10 power 2. 200 can be written as 2 into 10 power 2. Its square 4 into what? 10 power 4. 4 into 10 power 4 it is. So you can simplify now. U equals to what? 4 by 2 is to 2 into 8.854. If you take 8.854 is nearly taken as 9. Of course 9 agalla, but approximately we can call it as a 9 anta tondre. The answer will be nearly what? 18 into 10 power. This is minus 12 together with plus 4, it will be minus 8 joule. Nearly I am telling, but the exact answer will be around 17 point something, around 17.8 or 9 range nalli irutte. 17.8, but the energy stored in the capacitor is nearly found to be 18 into 10 power minus 8 joule is a energy stored. So this is one of the most important type of numerical what we can expect in the board examination. Okay, not all. concentrate here. As per this, the area is given. Area of the plates is given. The next step, the next problem I will take of some different type it is. Same problem, slightly different. Next is a radius of circular plates of parallel plate capacitor. Radius of circular plates of parallel plate capacitor is 5 centimeter. The radius of circular plates of parallel plate capacitor is 5 centimeter. And plates are separated by distance of 2 millimeter. Plates are separated by a distance of 2 millimeter. If capacitor is charged by a battery of same 200 volt, what is capacitance? And energy stored by a capacitor. Once again they are asking capacitance of a capacitor and energy stored in the capacitor. The difference is here, whatever the plates of capacitor we have, those are circular plates. So this may be a first circular plate of a capacitor. This is first circular plate of a what? Capacitor. Okay, this is first circular plate of a capacitor, and this is what? Second circular plate of a capacitor. This is second circular plate of a capacitor. So these two plates, across these two plates, they are connecting a battery of how much it is? Potential difference of 200 volt is applied. Okay, and these two plates are separated by a distance of, how much is the distance of separation? 2 millimeter. And the radius of the plates is given, R is given. The radius of the plates is given. Let me write all the given values here. The radius of the each plates of a parallel plate capacitor is given, 5 centimeter. If radius is 5 centimeter, it can be written as 5 into 10 power minus 2 meter is the radius. Okay. Then distance between the plates is given, D is equals to what? 2 millimeter. Further 2 millimeter is equivalent to 2 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay. And this capacitor is charged by connecting a battery of how much it is? 200 volt. This capacitor is charged by connecting a battery of 200 volt. They are asking you to find capacitance of a capacitor and energy stored in the capacitor. Once again, in the first step you are calculating capacitance. In the second step, you are calculating what? Energy stored. But here the radius of circular plates of a capacitor is given. Radius of circular plates of a capacitor is given here. So what is the formula to calculate the capacitance? Capacitance is calculated by using the formula epsilon naught A by D. Epsilon naught A by D. Okay. Further, here the area of the plates is not given. They given radius of the plates and they given the information that the plates are circular. If plates are circular, having the radius r, then what is the area of a circular plates? The area of a circular plates is given by pi r square. The area of the circular plates is given by pi r square. Therefore, what I can write now? Epsilon naught, the area is replaced by pi r square divided by d. Now you can substitute the values. C is equals to epsilon naught value is same 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. Pi value is what? 3.142. R square, what is R? Radius, that is 5 into 10 power minus 2, it's a square, divided by what? Distance between the plates. What is the distance between the plates? 2 into 10 power minus. If you use calculator and you can simplify, you will get the value of what? Capacitance in farad. And of course you know how to calculate energy stored here. In the second step, you can try the energy stored by using the formula U is equals to what? Half CV square. C should be substituted as you calculated earlier. And V is already given. Potential of a battery. How much is the potential of a battery? It is 200 volt. By substituting C value as well as what? V value, you can calculate the energy stored in the capacitor. That energy stored in the capacitor may be some joules. So this is how you are going to solve the problems which are related to the parallel plate capacitor. So today I will stop here only. In the next class I will come with a few more numericals from the concept called capacitors.